Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete duplicate data in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. Just for showing you, first I highlight the duplicate data. So select your whole data, and in the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. And then in the first option, highlight Cells Rules. Select the last option, Duplicate Values, and the duplicate data is highlighted. You can highlight it in any color that you want. And then click on OK. Now once again, select your whole data. And then on the top, go to Data. And here you will find the icon, Remove Duplicates. Just click on it. Now here unselect all columns, because I just want to remove duplicate data by employee name. So select the employee name column, and then click on OK. And you can see 7 duplicate values found and removed, and 15 unique values remain. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.